Hi, my name is Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Novacide Flea and Tick Killer step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Novacide Flea and Tick Killer is an aerosol insecticide with a built-in insect growth regulator, or IGR, that breaks the life cycle of targeted pests. This product is made with Pyrethrins, Permethrin, the IGR Pyriproxyfen, and a chemical synergist that boosts the product's effectiveness. We typically recommend this product for indoor control of fleas, ticks, and cockroaches, but it can also be used to control ants, spiders, and pantry pests like rice weevils or Indian meal moths. Novacide Flea and Tick Killer comes pre-mixed in an aerosol can and requires no additional tools to use. Just be sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE, including gloves, a safety mask, protective eyewear, and long-sleeve clothing. Determine how much Novacide you'll need to apply by measuring the treatment area's square footage. An 18-ounce can of Novacide will cover 2,300 square feet, and an area of 100 square feet can be treated by spraying the product across the area for 10 seconds. Before you apply Novacide, clean and vacuum the area. This will capture pests caught wandering around, like adult fleas in carpets and furniture, or larval pantry pests on shelves. And if you're treating for fleas, this will stimulate any flea pupae, causing them to emerge early and become vulnerable to treatment. To apply Novacide, shake the can well, hold it at an arm's length, then apply to carpets, floors, furniture, pet bedding, and other surfaces where labeled pests can be found. This product will be applied parallel to the can's orientation, so to apply downwards, hold the can upside down, pointing the top where you want to apply. Use a sweeping motion and back away while holding the can 36 inches away from the area being treated. To treat pantry shelves, create a barrier along where the shelves meet the wall by applying 1 to 2 inch spots of product 1 to 2 inches apart. Do not allow people or pets into the treatment area until the product dries completely. Depending on the pests you're treating, you may need to conduct a follow-up application after 10 to 21 days. When dry, Novacide will leave a residual that will continue to treat the area for up to 7 months. Labeled pests that make contact with the spray or its residual will die within several hours, while immature pests will be affected by the product's IGR, which will stunt their growth and prevent them from becoming reproductive adults. Novacide Flea and Tick Killer is labeled to be used indoors in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Apply this product to control pests in homes, apartments, hotels, motels, warehouses, kennels, and in transportation equipment like ships and trucks. This product can be applied on most floor surfaces like carpet and tile, and it can be applied to baseboards, upholstered furniture, or pet bedding. You can apply Novacide when you notice your home is being infested with fleas, roaches, ticks, or other labeled pests. This product also provides a 7-month residual effect, so it can be used as part of a preventive program. We recommend you apply Novacide twice a year for year-round protection. Novacide Flea and Tick Killer is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. While this product is labeled to treat fleas and ticks, do not apply this product directly to any of your pets. Remove any pets from the area and cover fish aquariums before using this product. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals, and do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. This product may stain some surfaces, so test on a small, inconspicuous spot before full treatment to check for any dulling or color fastness. Avoid contact with antique finishes and leather upholstery. Novacide is an insecticide aerosol that will treat a variety of pests as well as bust their life cycles thanks to the built-in IGR. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Depending on what pests you're treating, you may need to use Novacide with other residual insecticides and IGRs that can be applied outdoors, and bait or dust in order to get complete control.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.